Okay guys, this is what I ordered a few days ago. It is Matte 66 Pro Black 8 milliliter 36 square foot card sound deadening mat for my truck 2003 Ford F-150. Now I did the whole cab on with Dynamat and other various pieces, but I ordered these two so it can overlap and it could all look uniform. So I got these today and just wanted to show everybody. I'm just opening them up right now. Take a look and see what else we got. Take this one off again. What else we got? We got this one right here. On the side. Unboxing this stuff right here. Should be good right there. I just had it delivered this morning. I'm kind of excited to get this going. There's the instructions. It says in order to install soundproofing material you would need, of course, the sound deadener itself, stationary knife or construction scissors, a roller for rolling down the sound deadening material, gloves, degreaser, a cloth for wiping, a pen for marking. So that's pretty much it. These are pretty self-explanatory. There it is there. Put this off to the side right here. There it is there. It says it comes with 34 sheets. It's pretty cool. I picked the black because I didn't want it to reflect that chrome in the truck. I just wanted it to be black. So yeah, I ordered 2 boxes of it. That should be plenty for my inside of my cab. Ford F-150 2003 extended cab. Thanks.